If you constantly find yourself hiding and unhiding the same columns, same rows, so that you can print or produce perhaps a PDF copy of your same spreadsheet, then there's a good chance that custom views are for you. What a custom view allows you to do is take a current spreadsheet and save a version of it. So it is the same file, the same formulas, the same columns, same rows, but you can hide columns and hide rows and change the zoom settings and save that as a view. How do we go about that? Well, in order to create custom views, we need to be on the View ribbon, and you'll see Custom Views is an option over on the left. So if we choose Custom Views, you'll find we currently have no views. They will be listed here for this particular sheet. So the views are per sheet, not per book, but per sheet. Now, what I would suggest is before we even start creating a different view of this sheet, is to actually create a custom view, which is the sheet with no alterations whatsoever. So we go to Add. We give this view a name, and I'm going to call it Full View, because I can see everything, all the columns, all the rows. Does this view include any print settings and include hidden rows, columns, and filter settings? Yes, it does. It actually has no settings, but they still need to be saved with the view, so that's okay. That in itself does nothing. If we then make a small change, let's say, for example, we hide January, February, and March, and then April, May, and June. We've changed what we can see. Now we can save this as a different custom view by going to Custom Views, Add, Quarter Values. We'll give it a sensible name. It includes any print settings we might have, plus hidden rows, columns, and filter settings. Okay. Now we have two views. To then move between those two views, we simply go to Custom View, Full View Show, and you can see we get to see everything. So those columns get unhidden. And then if we go back to Custom Views, Quarter Values, and Show, we return to the columns being hidden. So instead of you constantly hiding those columns, hiding those columns, hiding those rows, printing, then unhiding, to go back to normal, we've saved two different views. One view is totally as the sheet arrives, all the columns, all the rows, no filtering takes place whatsoever. And then the second view, both of which are stored in our custom views section, is the quarter values. This has the columns for each of the months hidden away. So that's the start of custom views, how to create one, hide a few columns, how to create another one, and then the ability to move between, in our case, the two custom views. So full view, quarter. Very quick, very easy. No requirement there to go around highlighting, right click and hiding again.